Welcome to our colorful world, where every hue brings joy. Today, we're going on a fun learning adventure to discover the magical world of colors. Colors are everywhere, from the bright blue sky to the green grass beneath our feet. But did you know that there are many different colors for us to explore? Let's start with the primary colors, red, blue, and yellow. These colors are like the building blocks of all the other colors we see. When we mix red and yellow, what color do we get? That's right, orange. And when we mix blue and yellow, we get green. Mixing red and blue creates purple. Wow! Look at all the new colors we can make just by mixing the primary colors together. But the fun doesn't stop there. Every object around us has its own special color. Apples are red, the sky is blue, and bananas are yellow. Can you think of more things that are red, blue, or yellow? But wait, there's more. Some objects have more than one color. Look at this rainbow. It has all the colors of the spectrum: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Isn't it amazing how many colors there are to discover in our world? With every color comes a new adventure, waiting to be explored. So, let's keep our eyes open and our imaginations wide, as we continue to discover the wonderful world of colors all around us. Remember, little explorers, colors are like the paintbrushes of our imagination, painting our world with beauty and wonder. So, don't forget to keep exploring and discovering new colors every day. Thanks for joining us on this colorful adventure, little explorers. If you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share the fun with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more exciting adventures. See you next time. Bye bye.